o'clock on a Friday. I wasn't going to get out today, but the weather's so nice. It's 73 degrees right now. 73 degrees. This time last week, it was 97 degrees. So here I am. I'm only going to run this video till I catch traffic. If I catch traffic, but I'm sure I will. Oh, yeah, it's Miata weekend, if you didn't know. There's traffic. I've been in a lot of traffic today. Not the good kind of traffic that I want to be in. I'd like to be in like motorcycle traffic or European sports car traffic, something cool to see. But a four-wheel drive diesel from Tennessee who can't do the speed limit, not who I want to be behind. Miata. Look at that, there's a rare bobcat right there. See the bobcat? It's a wild bobcat. I'm sure that bobcat pushed that rock across the road too. I know I've pushed some big rocks like that with my Caterpillar, so I wouldn't do it with the bobcat. Franklin to here, I'm telling you, I was in traffic. I had to pass cars every passing zone. I even had to pass motorcycles in the passing zones. But I can live with this much traffic. Two motorcycles I did pass, they were from Florida and they didn't want to follow. Senior citizen. How do you wreck the back of your Subaru like that and not fix it? Why wouldn't you fix that? Lost my rhythm. Still got my blues, just lost the rhythm. When I come down this little hill and I see that house there and I see this house here where the jarhead lives, I cry a little because the road's over. At this point, we done. We're almost to 74 now. That is a good upper body workout. Love that road. Look unto these hills.